Hey everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mary and I'm a makeup enthusiast and I love all things beauty. Today I'm really excited because we're reviewing the new Persona Cosmetics highlighters. I actually got the shade Zuma. I love the packaging. The Sharpie effect is really cute. Very beachy, skatery. So this is actually a first impression and wow, I think it looks really pretty. Of course I'm under some bright lights, but I think this would look really pretty under daylight as well. I'm taking the MasterChrome highlighter and I'm comparing that on the other side of my cheek to see if there's any difference or what the difference is. I did have to add a lot more of the MasterChrome compared to the Persona Cosmetics, so I'm just going to wipe that off and apply the Zuma highlighter on that side as well. I had to add it to my collarbones just to see how it looked, and oh gosh, I loved it. I even added it to my chin, which I never do. Yeah, I just wanted to add it everywhere. It's so pretty. This is a beautiful highlighter. I'm really glad I got the shade Zuma because I'm pretty close to Sona's shade, and that's the one that she uses the most, she said. Biggest difference I noticed is that the Persona Cosmetics one, it looks more dewy and natural, like it gives like a wet look to the skin, which I definitely prefer. This is not bad for a drugstore highlighter, but for the price you pay for Personas, which is $24 plus shipping, I think it was worth the money. I will definitely use it non-stop. Great job, Sona. It's a beautiful highlighter. I love the packaging, I love the big mirror inside, and I just want to bathe in the highlighter. I can definitely see myself using this all throughout the spring and summer months. Big thumbs up for this. I think it's worth it. I'm not someone that has high-end highlighters, so I mean it's something to consider if you do have high-end highlighters, but I did compare it to the Maybelline and the ColourPop SuperShock cheek, which is what I have, and also Maybelline Eyeshadow that I use as a highlighter and I've used in other videos. So yeah, that's my review, and I hope you'll join me next time. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!